This is Dick Rochfort aboard 867 Delta Mike, an M500 Meridian. We're on our way to Billings, specifically to the initial approach fix. Crossing that fix, we're down to 6. That rhymes. So 6 is armed. When the white banner flashes, we do the next thing. Here comes the turn. Down to 6. This is an RNAV Yankee approach. It's GPS. And we're authorized with WAS to do this. Runway 28 right. It's not an RNP approach. And since it has LPV minima, it is indeed a precision approach, which means the glide path, which we're about to get, is a good glide path, the same as a glide slope on an ILS, not an LNAV advisory path. It's important to note this LNAV VNAV is not what we do. That's an RNP approach. So if we don't have rain for LPV, we'll be doing the LNAV. And in just a minute or two, we'll figure that out.
For 7 Delta Mike, contact tower 127.2.
Over to tower 867 Delta Mike. Billings Tower, Meridian 867 Delta Mike, on the approach.
Meridian 867 Delta Mike, Billings Tower 126018, gust 25, runway 28 right, cleared for the option.
Clear for the option, 867 Delta Mike.
Yep. Pumps and igniters go to manual. Pulse is on, oxygen is off. There's some rain showers in the area. We were trying to paint those with the radar. One of the advantages or disadvantages, as it may be, is that rain showers here in this neck of the woods tend to be very dry, so you get a lot of virga and rough air and very little water. So sometimes it's a little misleading. The radar doesn't show much, but it's rough as a cob. We wonder why. Here comes Yigud. Crossing Yigud, we're expecting, if we're in the approach mode, to see LPV. So do switch, yep. And we should get that LPV rather quickly. We're a tad late arming that up, but let's see. There it goes. And you can see we're just about on that glide path already. But we've elected, my preference is, to descend to the minimum outside the final approach fix. There are a couple of reasons for that. One is, on a low weather day, it's entirely possible you'll get free of the clouds and the ice and the turbulence that those clouds might have. And you'll also be doing that in a clean configuration at a slightly faster speed, which would be good if there's ice. We set the power such that when we level off, we'll slow to our final approach speed, clean level, 130 knots.
Medevac 791 Delta with visual 28 right.
And then
Medevac 791 Delta Charlie, Billings Tower, and right down runway 28 right, and continue. And you'll be following a Meridian on a 5-mile throttle.
Right down with 28 right, Medevac 1 Delta Charlie.
200. The other reason is that we're able to manage the speed transition from 130 knots to 120 knots with gear and a notch of flaps at the glide slope intercept. So we're not hanging out flaps of gear too soon, and therefore getting draggy and slow and get bumped around. It is a little breezy today, so it is a little bumpy down low. We note that the speed is dropping in nicely to 130 knots. The glide slope is right there. So, green GP, go down, gear down, notch of flaps, and power to 300 pounds.
Maybe a touch higher.
Yeah. And that'll scroll us right into the 120 knots we so dearly love. Dick Rochfort, fly safely. Train off it.